Living life, I'ma run with it. Yeah, the vibe is on me. I got it. It's on me. That's right. It's on me. That's right. It's on me. The vibe is on me.
Hi, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I make videos based off of natural hair, beauty, and fashion. So if any of those things interest you, don't hesitate to hit that subscribe button down below. Okay, so today I will be showing you guys how I do my braid out. Style. You're wet. Huh? Why are you wet? Today I will be showing you guys how I do my braid out style. My hair has been straightened now for 2.5 weeks, and it's starting to really get old. I've been sweating a lot at the roots, so this is what like the roots look like. But I'm trying to make this last, y'all. It's rare that I put heat in my hair, so I'm trying to make it last as long as I can. So I'm gonna see if I can do these little braids in my hair. I'm gonna just put it in 2 braids and moisturize it. I'm gonna moisturize it, put it in 2 braids, and take the braids down in a few days and do a style to it. So it's hot. Look, I'm sweating already. It's hot. I just got the shower, so let me hurry up and do something to this hair before it starts swelling up even more. So
what's happening to your nose?
I'm sweating.
Yeah.
So yeah, I will see you guys in a minute. So right here, I'm just parting my hair into 2 sections. I always like to work in sections when I'm doing my hair, especially when it's like thick in its thick stage. So it just always makes it easier to work in sections. Here, I'm showing you guys what I'm using. I'm only using a little bit of it because since it's a product that has water in it, it will revert my hair back to going back kind of like to the natural state if I use too much of it. So I just use a little bit, and then I'm going in with the coconut oil to give my hair a little extra shine, because really it's not really too much actually moisturizing it since it's dry. It's just kind of like going to be coating it on top. I'll explain that a little better in another video, but yep, that's what I'm doing. Hi you guys, so if you don't already know by the title, I'm about to do a style off of a braid out. So if you guys hear any noise in the background, that's my 2-year-old son, and he trying to say hey to y'all. But okay, let's go ahead and get into it.
Mama.
cannot find my edge control brush, so I'm about to try to use this to lay my edges. Oh shoot. I think I used a little too much edge control.
Open the door. I see open the door.
You trying to get me copyrighted.
Okay.
It's not okay. So this concludes my video. This is the hairstyle. I hope you guys like it. This is really old hair. For me, I'm flattering, turned into a braided out style. So yes, I have to go. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will probably lay something down to help lay my edges down for real. But yeah, I'm in a rush and I have to go. So hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.